If you're looking for deaf alarm clocks, here's a collection you've got to see. New and popular 2017 deaf alarm clocks. Number 1, most popular, by iLuv. Watch this video and get inspired. Number 2, another great product by iLuv. Number 3. For more details about this great alarm clocks, just click this circle. Number 4, by Ameriphone. Number 5, by Serene Innovations. Find these deaf alarm clocks at up to 70% off by clicking the info circle. Number 6, by Tech Tools. Number 7, by Sharp. Click the info circle to find more amazing products and gift ideas. Number 8, by MaxiAids. Number 9, by Moth. Discover more deaf alarm clocks ideas and items to explore, click the info circle. Number 10, by Sharper Image.
Thanks for watching this collection. If you like it, subscribe to our channel.